electrical cell or the galvanic cell is the cell which convert what? That is chemical energy into what? Into electrical energy. Now see, now this chemical energy is produced from where? This chemical energy is produced from the spontaneous redox reaction. So second point is spontaneous redox reactions. We have already studied that when we say spontaneous, in case of spontaneous reaction, what is the value of gives free energy? That is delta G, that comes out as negative. Why delta G is negative? This is because of the fact that when the reaction is what? Spontaneous redox reaction. Spontaneous reaction means the reaction takes place of its own and it continues. So during a spontaneous reaction, what happens? The system is losing the energy. Since the system is losing the energy, so we say the delta G is negative. Now come to the next point. That is the redox reaction. Already we know what is redox reaction. So what is the meaning of redox reaction? What is redox reaction? Now we are going to discuss what is redox reaction. Already we have learned about the redox reaction in which class? In class 10 as well as 11. But now we are going to discuss redox reaction in terms of which concept? That is our electronic concept. So let us take redox reactions in terms of what? Electronic concept. So what is our redox reaction in terms of electronic concept? Redox reactions are those reactions where both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Simply we can say in this reaction we are having what? Oxidation as well as we can say reduction. So what is going to happen? What is oxidation or what is reduction? Oxidation means we know it, that is loss of electrons. And reduction means that is gain of electrons. Clear? Now see, now from this redox reaction, how the concept of the galvanic cell developed by the scientists. Actually, by applying the concept of the spontaneous redox reaction, the preparation of the galvanic cell came into the mind of the scientist. Now the question arises, how it came into the mind of the scientist? From the redox reaction they can prepare the galvanic cell. See, it is something like this. They have carried out the redox reaction. What is the redox reaction they have carried out? Now let us study that one. See, what they have done? They have taken a beaker. In that beaker, they have taken copper sulfate solution. In the beaker, what they have done? They have taken CuSO4 solution or aqueous solution. So we know that what is the color of copper sulfate solution? It is blue in color. Clear? Then what they have done? They have placed, or I can say they have dipped a zinc rod in copper sulfate solution. So what they have done? They have dipped a zinc rod in copper sulfate solution. So when the zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, what they have observed? What are the observations? That is the observation point. What they have observed? Or we can also observe from this, when zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, what is going to happen? The first observation is that the zinc electrode, this is your zinc rod or zinc electrode, loses weight. So the first observation is that zinc rod loses weight. Why it is so? It comes something like this. See, in the solution already there was a zinc rod. What they have observed? The zinc rod gets corroded. If the zinc rod gets corroded, then what is going to happen? There will be loss in weight of the zinc rod. So first they have observed the zinc rod loses weight. The second observation made by them was that the color of copper sulfate solution. What is the color of copper sulfate solution? That is blue in color. The color of copper sulfate And third observation, they found that there was some brown deposit. Some brown PPT deposits here. Clear? So third observation is reddish brown PPT. Reddish brown PPT deposits. Clear? And the fourth observation is that, what is the fourth observation? The fourth observation was that the temperature of the solution changes. They found that in this figure, the temperature of the solution increases. See, the fourth observation is temperature of solution increases. Clear? This four observation, we can also observe this observations in our lab. Simply if we just dip a zinc rod in copper sulfate solution, there will be four observations. What are these four observations? These are the four observations. So from these observations, what conclusions were made by the scientist? Actually, the concept of the galvanic cell generated from the concept of this. So from these observations, what conclusions were made by the scientist in terms of chemical reaction? See, what were the conclusions? Conclusions in terms of the chemical reaction. In terms of chemical reaction. Clear? What is the first observation? Zinc rod loses weight. Why so? This is because of the fact that when zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, copper sulfate solution, what is going to happen? The zinc rod gets corroded, and as a result of which there is loss in weight. Clearly that is reflected. There will be loss in weight of the zinc rod or the zinc electrode. Now the question is that how this zinc rod or the zinc electrode loses the weight? This is because of the fact that when zinc rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, what is going to happen? Zinc rod means it is made up of zinc atom. Zinc atom from the zinc electrode is oxidized to what? Zn into positive ion. Oxidized means minus 2 electron. So what is happening? The zinc atom from the zinc electrode is oxidized to Zn into positive ion, and this Zn into positive ion moves into the solution. So what is happening here? Oxidation. This is known as our oxidation half reaction. Now see, in full reaction, this is full reaction. In full reaction, there will be no electron transfer. Why it is an oxidation half reaction? Because there is loss of electron. Already we have studied in redox reaction, loss of electron means oxidation reaction. Clear about the point? Now come to the next point. Color of copper sulfate solution, or copper sulfate solution, phase 7. What is the reason behind that? The copper sulfate solution is what in color? Blue in color. Why? This is because of the presence of Cu2 positive ions present in copper sulfate solution. But as the reaction stirs, what is going to happen? There are some Zn2 positive ion in the solution. Means the concentration of Zn2 positive ion in the solution increases, whereas the concentration of Cu2 positive ion in the solution decreases. But what is going to happen? When Zn2 positive comes here, the concentration of Zn2 positive ion increases. Clear? Since the concentration of Zn2 positive ion increases, what can we say? The color of copper sulfate solution fades from blue color, that converts into almost colorless solution. Now see, where this electron will go? There is release of electron in the first case. In copper sulfate solution, we are having Cu2 positive plus SO2 negative ion. This Cu2 positive ion will move towards the zinc electron. In zinc electrode, already zinc atom is present which undergoes this phenomenon. When this phenomenon is undergone, there is release of C2 electrons in the zinc plate. So what is going to happen? The Cu2 positive ion, that is from the solution, move towards the what? Zinc rod and accept 2 electrons. So what we are going to get? By gain of electron, that will convert into copper atom. The reason this copper atom deposits as a brown PPT here. So our third conclusion also made this. Third observation. From the third observation also we have made the conclusion reation. Clear about the concept? So let me take this reactions here. So from this up to third observation, that is clear. In case of first, what we have said, zinc atom from the zinc electrode is oxidized to Zn2 positive ion, and that moves into the solution. So we are going to get oxidation, say half reaction. Whereas the Cu2 positive ion from the solution will gain the electrons loose by the zinc atom, and it will reduce to copper atom. So what is occurring here? Gain of electron. Gain of electron means reduction, half reaction. Then what should be the overall equation for the reaction? Let us add both the reactions. So what is going to happen? The number of electrons transferred in the reaction should be same. So 2 electron plus 2 minus 2 cancel out. So we are getting the overall equation as zinc plus Cu2 positive, that is going to produce Zn2 positive plus Cu. Now see, both point we have not discussed, that is temperature of solution increases. When this reaction is carried out, there is liberation of energy.